This is Toyota's all-electric SUV. So this is the cabin of the Toyota bZ4x. Now it's very futuristic, very well put together, very interesting design elements. There's a cloth trim here actually. You'll begin to understand what the designers were thinking when they put this cabin together. They wanted to say, yes, we are going to put together a cabin that is unlike our other vehicles. Even though the exterior of this vehicle looks very much like the Toyota Harrier or maybe even a little bit of the Lexus NX, it is still a very individual Toyota. Now, right down to here, can you see here? It's just things that they thought about to just make it a little bit different, and it all makes quite good sense because when you're sitting and driving in this cockpit, your visual direction is perfect. Your steering here, multifunction steering wheel, and your screen up there. Gear shifter is here. Just have to press down to activate. You got a beautiful, clear, beautifully positioned screen. Very, very clear screen. Go into drive mode or just leave it in park. So this swivel knob is already been used in a lot of modern vehicles. Nothing new for the Electrica project. And then you've got this hidden position to put your phone in and get it charged. Beautifully sculptured, comfortable seats. A lot of legroom at the back. I'll get into the back now and show you. There is a lot of legroom at the back. Air conditioning vents, of course. And the reason is simple, because it's an electric vehicle. Now, electric vehicles have a lot of space in the cabin because of the way it's designed. Of course, the battery pack sits below you, but this makes a lot of sense for people looking for extra cabin space. Plus, you got that all great Toyota reliability, and it drives beautifully. It's fast, it's stable. It almost feels like a sports car that is sitting up high. So, this is the Toyota bZ4x. It's on sale right now. We'll share the details in the next video. Charging cables are located here. Nice, flat, reasonably low, large boot space. And of course, if you put the seats down, you get even more space. Go to a Toyota showroom. There are many in the country. Some of them have this vehicle already ready for you to test drive. Take a closer look. You might actually want to take it home for the next few years and enjoy fuel-free driving experience.